Well?
Okay, I locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large bag, then you're likely doomed.
Cody, you're gonna need it.
Was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. Away.
Oh, Christ.
The big bang!
Let's see, Victor.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is.